Hello. Some notable contrasts in the weather from north to south across the UK today. For Scotland, for Northern Ireland and Northern England, lots of cloud and some rain on and off, some of which has been heavy too. Further south, bit of patchy cloud around, yes, but actually a lot of dry weather. And we saw some generous sunshine here in Devon. One thing, though, that's happening to all parts of the UK currently is milder air is moving in. The cloud to the north is a warm weather front. To the south, yes, the skies are clearer, but the milder air will flood its way right the way across the UK as that front advances further across Scotland through this evening and overnight. So here's the start of the evening rush hour. Some showers to the far north of Scotland, still more persistent rain feeding into the southern uplands and through the central belt, continuing to affect northernmost reaches of Northern Ireland too, and I think some heavier downpours for the northwest of England, to the west of the Pennines especially, as we move through the evening. Scattered showers further south, a largely dry story and quite a quiet end to the day across southern England and South Wales. And it looks like it will stay fair here overnight. Rain pulls away from Northern Ireland, but then really comes to focus again on Scotland, particularly the northwest of Scotland, and the totals start to add up. Look at these overnight lows, though, very similar to the daytime highs we had yesterday, milder even as we start Thursday. Wet and windy to the northwest of the UK, though, throughout the day, particularly again for the northwest of Scotland and for Orkney and Shetland. Elsewhere, some cloud around, but I think a dry story. Quite windy, though, again, especially for the northwest of Scotland. A little bit gusty elsewhere, just the chance of the cloud thick enough to the far south to bring some drizzly rain at times. But look at the temperatures, up to 14 degrees Celsius in London, very much on the mild side once again. And as we look towards the end of the week, we still stay in the milder air. Another frontal system approaches the northwest of the UK on Friday, but the cold air doesn't really get very far, perhaps just getting into the Western Isles by the end of the day. Elsewhere, our temperatures staying in double figures. Rain, I think, for all areas at some stage, generally lighter and more showery as it works its way eastwards, but temperatures, even with the rain around on Friday, still hitting double figures.